Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the G minor 7th chord on your piano or keyboard. First, let's locate the root note G. Play this with your first finger. The next note you'll need is the note B flat. Play this with your second finger. Next note is the note D. Play this with your third finger. And the last note you need is the note F. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the G minor 7th chord. Now, because the G minor 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. Okay? This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. Okay? To make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the note G, all the way to the top. Like this. Move your hand. This is called G minor 7th first inversion. Let's do one more inversion. Move the bottom note of the chord, the B flat, to the top. Move your hand. Now this is the second inversion. Let's do one more inversion. Move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is the G minor 7th chord, third inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note F all the way to the top, like this, move your hand, you will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion of the chord. Now move the top note, F, to the bottom, move your hand. This is the third inversion of the chord. Let's do one more. Move the top note of the chord to the bottom, move your hand. This is the second inversion of the chord, right? One more time. Top note of the chord to the bottom, move your hand. First inversion of the chord. One more time, top note of the chord to the bottom, and you will be back at the root inversion of the chord. Okay? I'll do it one more time. G minor 7th, root, bottom note to the top, first inversion, bottom note to the top, second inversion, bottom note to the top, third inversion, bottom note to the top, root inversion, and the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, third inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, and the last time, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Okay? Now I'm going to show you one more way to invert your G minor 7th chord. Instead of playing the root note with my right hand, I'm going to play it with my left hand. I'm also going to change my fingering a bit here to make it easier to play this 3-note chord. You can see this is still the root inversion of our chord, but this time I'm only going to invert the top 3 notes of the chord. I'm going to keep this note down here as a bass note. So, root inversion. So now I'm going to make an inversion with this hand, moving this bottom note to the top. Move my hand and play the root note down here. Okay. One more inversion with this hand, moving the bottom note to the top. Move my hand, play the root note. Yeah. One more inversion, bottom note to the top. Move my hand, root note. Now you'll notice we are in fact back at the root inversion of the chord. If I played this up here, you can see this is the root inversion. Okay? Now let's go the other way, starting with this root inversion. Move the top note of the chord to the bottom. Play the root note. Yes. One more time. Top note of the chord to the bottom. Root note. And one more time. Top note of the chord to the bottom. Move the hand. Root note. And we're back home, right? Now you can practice this simply by going up and down the keyboard like this. Okay? Now the whole reason we're doing inversions of our chords is to make your piano playing more smooth. If you master inversions, you don't have to move your hand around the keyboard so much. So I'm just going to show you one simple chord progression where I'll start with the Gm7 chord in its root position. Then I'm going to play a C7 in an inversion, like this. And I'm going to play a D7 chord in an inversion, like this. And I'm going to finish up at the Gm7 chord in an inversion. Okay? Sounds like this. I'm going to play a bit more, I'm going to play a double bass tone down here. One more time. Okay, so there you have it, the Gm7 chord with inversions. Before you leave me, please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did. And subscribe to this channel. Please do it now, guys. Help me out. See you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart. Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.